today we're on the 20-quart mixer. The 20-quart Hobart mixer.
Okay.
This was like my dream. Like, high school kids have dreams to like have Camaros and whatever. Like, I wanted a Hobart mixer. I've got one. Woohoo! I won.
Okay, so what are you mixing in your dream mixer?
My dream mixer. Today we're mixing black and white cookies. This was as per your request.
I know. I think because I love black and white cookies.
You do?
Yeah.
A lot of people do.
I do. I love black and white cookies.
I have to say. It's
so what are you mixing right now?
Right now I am mixing the shortening.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And you're stepping on my recipe.
Okay, wait a second. Okay.
So I'm going to add in my sugar.
Your sugar. Look at the size of the bowl.
I know. I'm mixing a big recipe. Normally I mix just like a home version, scaled down recipe for you guys, but I have a big order for later, so I said I might as well go ahead and do this.
Okay.
We sell so many black and white cookies here. Like, I'm really surprised.
Yes.
So I have to go ahead and make a big recipe today.
Okay.
And
So
that's why I'm using the big mixer.
Okay. So right now, what's in there mixing together?
This is sugar, dry milk powder, which you could get at the supermarket. And the reason why we're using a dry milk powder is because you want that flavor and you want that addition into your recipe, but you don't want it in liquid form because it's going to weigh down the recipe.
It's like there's dust flying.
I know. This is the way it goes.
I know. Black and white cookies.
I know. It's like all over me at the end of the day.
I know.
So right now I'm creaming together the shortening and the sugar and the dry milk.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just going to combine this until it comes together.
There we go. Look at that mixer. Wow.
Yeah.
So that was
get your hands caught in here.
Well, we'll keep your hands off of it.
Oh, I got this. Don't worry.
All right. Next thing you know. Like,
no, that's happened. That's actually happened.
Oh my
where
God.
Somebody has put their hand in just when they thought it was stopping.
Yeah.
You get caught in there, it's going to break your hand.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so there we have.
You know,
that.
there are dangerous things at Woodland Bakery sometimes.
Right.
You know, it's all machinery, just so everybody can have a nice black and white cookie.
That's right. And so I'm scraping down the sides of my bowl, which is always very important when you're creaming because you want to get.
Oh, so this is the creaming method again.
This is the creaming method, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so let's just keep that going again.
Okay.
This is a very simple recipe. You'll find that mixing cookies really is very simple to do. So basically we cream those things together.
Okay.
The only thing that is a little bit different on this creaming method versus the others.
What is that?
Where on the other cookies we were putting the liquids in first.
Okay.
And then the dry.
Yes.
On this recipe we're actually putting in all the dry and then we're going to slowly put into the liquid.
Alright, so now you got a big thing of snow.
Yeah, this is a lot of flour right in here.
That's a lot of flour, okay. It's going in.
I'm going to do it in a way that I don't get it all over the table.
Well, look at
Am I doing it?
Yeah, you're making a mess. It's great. Who wants to eat this cookie? Holy crap.
I didn't get that much.
No, it's good. It's all good.
Okay.
Wow, that's some mixer.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's going to go around and it's going to create more. You're putting it on different speeds.
No, I just keep turning it on and off because the amount of... if I just let it keep mixing, it's all going to fly out of my bowl.
Yeah, it's all over your shirt. It's like a dust storm in here.
Alright, so now I'm mixing all that. That's going to start to cream together, and then once I get it to the point where I think I like it, I'm going to...
Ugh.
Isn't this fun?
I wanted the cookie. I wanted you to make this cookie.
You were getting it.
I can't even film. There's dust on the camera. Holy crap. All right, there we go. But the cookies are big cookies. They're not
They're
not like
cookies. Like they fit in the size of your hand.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so what do you do now?
I can't go that fast. I can't rush it because I do need to use this. It's funny, a lot of times I find I watch these videos, these chefs on television, the Food Network or whatever, and they're just making a slop house mess. And like me knowing how you're properly supposed to do things, of course it's all in the interest of time, so I know they're rushing and they're throwing stuff in. There's shit flying everywhere.
Yeah.
And you know, and then they go, oh, and here it is, and it's this wonderful thing. And meanwhile, I'm going, man, what it must look like in the bowl right now, like
it must be like a bomb went off.
Right. Yeah. So, but I need to use this for my business for an order for tomorrow, so I can't just like fake it and rush through it. So that's actually the real way that you would mix this cookie. Yeah. So
All right, so she just mixed up the whole black and white cookie.
So
Weighs 40. Oh my God! Weighs like 40 pounds.
So I'm just going to quickly show you how I would pipe this out onto the parchment paper so that we can get this into the oven.
Okay.
But I do have some baked already so that I can show you the finishing of them.
Yes.
See how I'm using my pastry bag?
Yes.
What you're going to want to do.
Here we go. Pastry bag's going down. Oh wow! Oh, it's a big cookie.
See, because they will spread out a little bit in the oven, so we do pipe them pretty big like this.
Okay. All right, that's good.
Okay?
Yep.
Just like that. We do like 11 to a pan.
All right.
And then we're going to bake these at about 350 degrees. Let me just grab this thing.
All right, she's going in here. She's grabbing something out. She's coming back. Woof! Walking by. There we go. All right, now we're over here. And here's our finished black and white, well, sort of semi-finished black and white cookies.
Yeah.
And they're right here.
Okay. So these are the finished black and white cookies. This is what it's going to look like when it comes out of the oven. 350 degrees, probably about maybe 25 minutes, you know, until they get golden like this. See the color on here?
Yes.
Just like that.
I want
And
one.
so the black and white cookie is sort of like a cake style cookie.
Yeah.
And so what I have here
Okay.
is our chocolate and our white fondant that I have gone and melted down.
Okay.
Either in the microwave or over a double boiler like I did here.
All right, and let's just ice a couple so people can see.
Right. So
All right.
what I'm going to do, I always forget I have to ice white first.
Why do you always have to ice white first?
Because if I ice the chocolate first,
Yeah.
the chocolate is more of a harsh, well, I can't explain it. I'll show you what happens.
Okay.
See, there's the white.
There's the white on the black and white.
Okay, so I ice half
Right now
of
it's
that.
just white, it's not black.
Okay. Whoops, I stuck my finger in.
Okay.
Well, you're rushing me.
I'm rushing you because we're running out of
I
time.
know. So look, here, if I did the black first,
Yeah.
the black part first,
Yeah.
and then I went back to put my white,
Yeah.
it's just not that good.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you can see the black shows through.
Oh,
You see what
okay.
happens? So that's why we don't
Oh, that's
do it
cool.
that
I
way.
never knew that.
Yeah, that's why we don't do
So
it that
always
way.
use the white first
Always ice
and
with
then the
white
black.
first, and then you go over with the black, because the black can go over the white, no problem, and you're never going to see that difference.
No.
So there's a black and white cookie.
There we go. Black and white cookie. Let's do one more.
One more here.
All right.
So we probably sell about 24 of these a day in the bakery.
All right.
But people special order them all the time.
Okay, so everybody, you just learned how to make the black and white cookie. Stephanie requested it this week, of course.
Crumb Boss Factory.